Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make Palak Paneer in the Instant Pot. Palak Paneer is a perfect candidate to make in the Instant Pot instead of the stovetop because it tastes equally awesome when made in the Instant Pot and gets ready in lesser time using much lesser utensils. Actually, you can saute, pressure cook and then blend the curry all in one pot, so mainly there is just that one pot to wash, which is always a win, right? So let's get started, shall we? For making Instant Pot Palak Paneer, you need 10 ounces of palak leaves, which is a little less than 300 grams, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 chopped green chili, 2 tablespoons chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons chopped garlic, 1 cup chopped onions, and 2 mid-sized tomatoes chopped. You also need 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, about 250 grams of paneer, and 1 cup of water. Start the Instant Pot in saute mode and heat up the oil, then add the cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start crackling, add the chopped ginger and garlic and saute for a few minutes. In a minute or so, add in the chopped green chilies. When the ginger and garlic start to change color, add the chopped onions and salt and saute till the onions turn translucent. You can even choose to saute till the onions are lightly brown based on your preference. Then add in the chopped tomatoes and saute for a couple of minutes. You don't need to cook them down because they will be pressure cooked. Finally, add in the palak leaves along with a little water. The water will not and doesn't need to cover the leaves, only a little water is required. Then close the Instant Pot lid and pressure cook on high for 2 minutes. Once the pressure cooking cycle is done, let the pressure release naturally for 5 minutes and then manually release all the pressure from the pot and open the lid. At this point, the palak mix will be really hot, so let it cool down to about room temperature. Then you can use a hand blender like this one to blend the mix to make a semi-smooth curry base like this. Once the curry base is ready, add in the paneer cubes and start the Instant Pot in saute mode again for a few minutes till there is a light boil and the paneer gets a chance to cook in the curry. And there you have it, delicious palak paneer made in the Instant Pot. Serve it with your choice of roti, naan or paratha and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!